In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss and Tollgate Primary won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we begin with Tollgate Primary. Bible knowledge, which two animals did David kill before he killed Goliath?
Lion and bear.
Lion and bear.
Correct. Lorna Otto, Bible knowledge, how many Philistines did Samson kill with the jawbone of a donkey?
20,000. 20,000.
Incorrect, 1,000. Tollgate signs, are amphibians vertebrates or invertebrates?
Vertebrates.
Correct. Signs, Lorna Otto, are birds warm-blooded or cold-blooded?
Warm-blooded. Warm-blooded.
Correct. International affairs, a visual question, Tollgate. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Philippines.
Correct. International affairs, a visual question for you also, Lorna Otto. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Uruguay. Uruguay.
Correct. English language, Tollgate, give a 5-letter antonym starting with U for divide.
Unite.
Unite.
Correct. English language, Lorna Otto, give a 6-letter antonym starting with S for abundant.
Scarce.
Correct. Television, a visual question, Tollgate. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Jaden Smith.
Correct. Television, a visual question, Lorna Otto. Look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Miley Cyrus.
Incorrect. Jada Pinkett Smith. Tollgate, general knowledge. What is the tallest bird in the world?
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
Correct. General knowledge, Lorna Otto. What is the tallest animal on land?
Giraffe. Giraffe.
Correct. Tollgate, social studies, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify which Jamaican parish is highlighted.
St. Mary.
St. Mary.
Correct. Social studies, a visual question, Lorna Otto. Look at the monitor and identify which Jamaican parish is highlighted.
Trelawney.
Correct. Tollgate, the Dragonaires was the name of the supporting group for which late Jamaican singer?
Ziggy Marley.
Incorrect. Byron Lee. Lorna Otto, music. The Maytals is part of the name of which former Jamaican music group?
Bob Marley. Bob Marley.
Incorrect. It's Toots and the Maytals. Tollgate, mathematics. What is the remainder when 119 is divided by 6?
Four.
Time has passed. Would you like to try, Lorna Otto?
No, thank you.
The answer is 5. Mathematics for you, Lorna Otto. What is the remainder when 247 is divided by 4?
3.
3 is correct. Sports, Tollgate. What is the second of the 4 major events played in lawn tennis each year?
PG.
Incorrect. The French Open. Sports, Lorna Otto. What is the last of the 4 major events played in lawn tennis each year?
Wimbledon. Wimbledon.
Incorrect. The U.S. Open. Tollgate, Jamaican Affairs. Who is the Member of Parliament for East Central St. Andrew in Jamaica?
Dalvas.
Sorry?
Andrew Olness.
Incorrect. Dennis Gordon. Jamaican Affairs. Lorna Otto. Who is the Member of Parliament for South St. James in Jamaica?
Richard Vernon. Richard Vernon.
Incorrect. Nikisha Burchell. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Tollgate Primary on 7 and Lorna Otto Prep on 6. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Be mindful of your posture. Sit upright to stay alert and avoid fatigue. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.